Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. You might notice any difference in my voice, I think. Let me just explain to you what happened. First of all, guys, thank you for the nice comments in the last weekly analysis video about the concern of my health. What happened here, guys, is actually I had an enlarged adenoid that was growing inside in my nose in this area. And Thursday morning, I had an operation a surgery to get it removed. And of course, after the surgery, my nose was completely blocked and covered. So that was the reason, of course, that I wasn't able to speak. Today, Sunday, I feel a lot better. However, I still have a severe headache, and I think it's normal. As a result of this operation, the doctor said it's gonna last for like a week. So it's really annoying, but still, I mean, I feel good. I can talk. And I think I really enjoy analyzing the market. It's what I do for a living, and it's what I do for a hobby, and I just really enjoy it. So again, guys, thank you for the nice comments, and let's now see what we can do next on the pound JPY. I think we have here a good opportunity, and I wanted to share it with you. So first of all, if we check the daily chart, we're having here actually a broken level of a real resistance exactly at 182.266. Now, as we can see, this was, of course, a real level of the resistance. And as we can see here also, the market has just made the bearish breakout from that level of a real support as well. So now, what we are having here is actually a retest that has already happened for that broken level of the support trend line. Check this out. So that means that the pound JPY will most likely now gonna continue the fall right after retesting that level of a broken support trend line and creating here a new resistance trend line. So that means that we can start looking for a good opportunity to short this pair. Let's now move to the smaller time frame. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Actually, you know what? Let's even move to the 1-hour time frame. I want to show you something here. So on the 1-hour time frame, we do have here head and shoulders pattern has completed, and I think that this is a good sign that we can indeed short the pound JPY. Again, I want to highlight that we're having here a broken level of a support zone right here. That was, of course, the support zone, and right here we're having also a resistance zone has been created, which indicates that the market is actually not able to grow higher than this level of a resistance. All right, so moving now to the 15-minute time frame, because most of the analysis is gonna be happening right there. Now let's just talk about the 15-minute time frame. So let's agree right now that this can be right here our take profit level as a lowest level of the support, or actually even a little before it. However, what's gonna happen right now on the 15-minute time frame? In my opinion, what we're having right here is actually a support trend line, which actually has been creating here a triangle. Now, since we are talking about head and shoulders pattern has been completed, that means that the pair will most likely gonna continue the fall. But however, we can expect now a pullback upon the pressure from the previous resistance right here and a current support. So we will actually trade right after the pullback happens, because the market has also reached the edge of the triangle or the support trend line. So it's gonna rise right here somewhere, and there we can start shorting the pound JPY. So if we track the Fibonacci retracement right now, we can see that we are having here Fibonacci 50, and also it's actually a good level as the highest level of a resistance. Actually, sorry, it's right here. It's actually the highest level of a real resistance right before another head and shoulders appeared right here. Now, I'm sure that many of you guys don't actually disagree with me. They actually disagree about the head and shoulders patterns, that they are saying it's not like that, Salah. In my opinion, it is like that. Actually, almost every time we are seeing these patterns happen, the market just kept falling. Even if it was inverted head and shoulders, always the market, actually most likely the market will be respecting those levels. Anyway, just to make things short right here, I believe that it's not going to be a bad idea to short the pound JPY after it make a pullback right here to rise to the Fibonacci 50 and retest the same level of the resistance trend line, which is, by the way, the highest level of a resistance trend line at 181.807, and that our take profit level will be right here at the lowest level of a support at 180.920, aiming approximately 80, actually let's say about 90 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss can be ranged somewhere right here above Fibonacci 50 for about 50 pips only. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for tomorrow on the pound GPY. Again, guys, remember, this is not a money management system or a plan. This is just a signal. So therefore, of course, it has a potential, or actually a possibility to fail. And for that, always be prepared. If you have investment of like $5,000 in your account, I would recommend invest like $100 in this trade. So make sure that your stop loss will be equivalent to $100 only. And remember that you are a trader, meaning you might actually lose this trade. Never assume that this signal, just because it's coming from extreme trader, meaning it will be 100% profitable one. There is always a chance for any signal I'm sending to fail, and that is normal in forex trading. However, I would recommend everyone, of course, to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates and notifications about this signal. Again, if I noticed any price action going against our direction, I will inform you right here on this group to close it right now before it hit the stop loss. But again, I think it's gonna be a good deal. If I don't trust it, I will not send it. That's the thing here. So again, I trust my analysis, but of course we cannot trust forex market. Forex market is really not a trusted market. We are just analyzing, and we're just hoping for the best and hoping for our analysis to be respected. So again, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.